Hey my pretty petites, welcome to the Influential Life. I'm Shadana Miranda, your favorite influential petite. And this video is about packing petite style. Now this video isn't necessarily for petite women, but it's for anyone who's interested in minimizing their baggage. So you may be going for an overnight getaway or you're doing a weekend trip, but you're always overpacking. You have too much luggage. So I'm going to show you how to actually pack petite style, where you can pack an overnight bag and you can save money. So when you go to the airport, you don't have to pay for luggage and it'll save you time. So let's save time and cost. So let's get started. Okay, so the first and most important tip when traveling petite style is your luggage. You definitely want to get you a duffel bag, something that can fit in the overhead bin, but also it can slide right underneath your seat, and one that you don't have to pay for. This is an option, but this isn't the one I'll be using. So I'm actually gonna go even more petite style, and I'm gonna use this bag, which is one you can carry it under your arms. It also has a long strap that you can connect to the side and wear it on your shoulder. So now that you have your luggage, the next thing you want to do, you want to travel petite style. And that's, of course, your accessories, your toiletries, like anything you'll be packing. Basically, your necessities. And we're going to start off like this. So your necessities would be things that you can purchase in the travel section of a store. Travel mouthwash, travel lotion, travel deodorant. Of course, you need your wipes, and of course, your travel kit, toothpaste and toothbrush, and of course, toothbrush holder. And what I would do is I would just slide that into this little part right here. So the smart thing to do when you're traveling is to never bring your items from home. Never bring your deodorant, your toothbrush, your big lotion, your mouthwash. You always want to carry travel items. Travel with your travel items. That's why they're called travel items, and they're petite size. So that's the next step. The next thing you want to do is to fold your clothes the smart way. And how you fold your clothes is the smart way is to roll them in there. So let's take these pair of pants. We're going to bring them together. And I'm basically just going to roll them down like this. So as I'm rolling them down, they're getting smaller and smaller and thinner, and making it easier for me to place in my luggage. Next, I have my underwear. I can't believe I'm folding this on camera, but I am. So you will want to bring your underwear in twice, 1, 2, and basically start rolling them down. See how tiny this is? It can fit anywhere. And you want to place them in your bag. Then you want to take a shirt. Let's see, this is inside out. A plain shirt. This can be a button down. This can be a regular shirt. This can be any style shirt. And you want to fold this in twice as well. Trying to make it neat, but you get the gist of it. And what I'll do is I'll start rolling it down. Like this. You see how small and convenient and easy it is? And then I'll stuff that in there. And I have so much more space in my bag. So I have one more item, which is my bra. Just gonna fold that in. The bras is one of the easiest things to fold. Cuff that under, bring that under like that. This is always the easiest thing to fold, and just place it in your bag. And so you kind of get the gist of it. So We started off with the petite bag, of course, a duffel bag or a mini one like this, one that you can carry on your arm. It's easily transportable through the airport. It won't be too heavy. And then, of course, you want to buy petite size items. Never bring your regular items like your lotions, your deodorant, your toothbrush that you use on a daily basis from home. You always want to pack travel size items. That is the key to traveling petite style in minimizing luggage and adding more space in your luggage. And then the third thing to do is when you're placing your items in your bag, like such as your clothes, you always want to fold your clothes in your bag because that's going to increase space in your bag. So the method I just showed you guys, it's really simple and easy. The first and most important tip, of course, is to buy a petite size bag. A duffel bag that's easy to carry. You can carry it on your arm and it's easy to transport throughout the airport. And it's lightweight for your shoulder just in case you want to, carry it on your shoulder. The second thing to do is to buy petite travel size items. You never want to bring your items from home such as your lotion, your deodorant, your mouthwash, your toothpaste, because those things are going to take up lots of space in your bag. So to increase your space, you want to travel with travel size items. And those items can be found at stores like Walmart and Target in the travel section. And the third and most important thing to minimize on space in your luggage would be to fold your clothes. Folding your clothes is probably the most important tip when packing your clothes before you go on your trip. So that's all the tips that I have for you today, guys. So if you have any questions or any comments, or you have any tips about how you pack, make sure you leave them in the comment box below. And make sure you hit that subscribe button before you leave. Tap the bell for notifications because I'll be bringing you another great video. Bye-bye.